Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can generate your own QR code. So for that you need to go to your Chrome, and this process works for both your Android and as well your iOS. You can create this from both of them. So I'm doing this on my Windows PC, but you can do it on your phones as well. So after coming to Google, you need to type QR code generator, and as you can see we have some results, and from here we need to choose this website. I will provide the link on the description. And as you can see, this is the website we need to use in order to create our QR. So here you need to provide the URL, and after providing the URL your code will be generated. So let me provide the real URL of my own YouTube channel. So let me select my URL, and after, as you can see, I have pasted my URL, and from here you can select your own frame. So as you can see, it says frame. There are multiple options, and make sure to sign in so you can choose each and every option. And after choosing your desired frame, you can choose the shape. As you can see, it might change. As you can see, it's asking me to sign in, so I'm leaving it for now. You know how to do it. So as you can see, these are the options. So after choosing your preferred design, you need to do is you can download, and also you can print your code. So I'm just trying to download now. As you can see, it's asking me to sign in, so yeah, I need to sign in. After signing in and completing the sign in process, you will be able to download your scanner from here. As you can see, I have successfully downloaded it, and now if you scan this from your phone's camera, this link will automatically divert to my YouTube channel. So yeah, that's how you create a QR code on your Windows or your Android or your iOS device.